This exercise is called Check and Connect. And this is an exercise that can translate into your day-to-day. So there is a relevance. This is not just a warm-up exercise, although it is kind of a warm-up exercise, but it's not just a warm-up exercise. It really can give you some practical tools to use in the way that you conduct yourselves in group conversations. What I want to really relate it to is literally a way of communicating. Literally a way of communicating. Communication, why this is communication, it's actually that there's the communicator and the communicated with. And a communication doesn't happen one direction. The ball gets dropped. It's not just having tasks in the air. It's literally a way of putting your focus and making sure a communication is received. And a lot of times, here is my reenactment of you coming into a meeting because you have a substantial role.
You caught it. He wasn't supposed to catch it. That was instinct. I was trying to.
My reenactment was more that I was juggling 3 balls, walking into a room that's juggling, everyone else is juggling their 3 balls. And just trying to keep the ball up is basically a metaphor for what it's actually like. You're not actually coming into a room free from the juggle. You're coming into a room now looking to add another ball to juggle. So what occurs is you've got like a table like this of 5 people juggling their own balls, trying to talk about the balls that are in the room and trying to connect around the balls in the room and having a very difficult time because there is a lack of being checked in and connected. So what we're really wanting to start to do is to build the muscle of checking and connecting. And so the first way to do that, one is to be aware of the quality of attention that's really necessary to really ensure communication is delivered well and received. And that means that you do need to have someone's attention, and you need to be giving your attention to them.
So raise your hand if you came into this meeting juggling balls. If anyone was juggling balls, more than one, okay? Raise your hand if you still have balls that you're juggling, that there still are balls that are being juggled even while you're here, you know? Great. That's what's happening. Even though you look fully here, you're in the background, there's balls being juggled. That's what our life is like.
You don't want to spend your whole meeting time, checking in. There's really an art to this, and it's really about bringing an efficiency of getting connected with each other before starting. And you can do that in just a few minutes. And I guarantee this will be the first thing that goes when you feel busy. And yet, when you feel busy, the reality is it's actually 9 balls going around. Just realize that in my mind and in my experience and what I've observed in effective meetings, this starts them. Ineffective meetings usually start with chaos.